Hey everyone, welcome to this full guide on how to organize files in Dropbox like a pro in 2026. I'll show you simple steps to keep your files clean and easy to manage. First, open Dropbox and create main folders like Work, Personal, and Projects. This gives your account a clear structure. Next, add subfolders inside each main folder. This helps you organize everything in detail. Now, rename your files properly using clear names. Avoid random or confusing file names. After that, use a consistent naming system for all files. This makes searching much faster. Next, mark important files as favorites so you can access them quickly. This saves time later. Now use the Dropbox search feature whenever needed. This helps you find files instantly even in large storage. After that, delete duplicate or unnecessary files. This keeps your storage clean and optimized. Finally, organize shared folders separately for teamwork. This helps avoid confusion in group projects. So yeah, that's how you organize files in Dropbox like a pro in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your files will always stay clean and easy to manage. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more productivity tutorials for beginners. Hey